Good morning. It's early. There are bags packed somewhere over there. And for someone who wakes up around noon, 6:30 is a little early, but there's only one reason to be up this early. We're traveling. Time to get the fuck out of bed.
Why you always know the fucking DJ, and every word to every song that he plays. She don't give two shits about my mixtape, always catching Z's on me just like Jay. And I know I'm not the chain smokers, but I still think that we should get closer. You should drop it just like EDC. I can't tell if this is love, but I guess
so we
we'll
just
see.
checked through TSA, and for some reason my bags literally passed. Like literally every time I've traveled like maybe 5-6 times here so far, and every single time without fail this backpack of mine always gets flagged. But today, fat dub this morning, no flag, it got through immediately. The other crazy thing is that every time it does get flagged, the TSA people are like, what's in this bag? They literally pretend to sift through for like 30 seconds and then like, all right, whatever, here you go. You don't look like, I can't say the word. Everywhere we go, we're getting bopped for filming. It's crazy. I don't know how everywhere in the East Coast we can't film. Landed there in Austin, and it's been a long day of traveling. We had 2 layovers. For some reason we had a flight layover in Detroit, but slept the whole way, which is always nice when we wake up early in the morning. And we've got a pretty busy day right now. There's a live stream going on at the lodge, so I've got like 2-3 hours to get ready, get to the Airbnb, and then just head and play some poker. So you'll get some behind the scenes stuff about the poker live stream, see where it goes. Unfortunately, we got no B-roll of being on the plane. Just never got the chance to be at the window seat, unfortunately. Got stuck in the middle both times. Got crammed in there, but there we go. That's all we got. Touchdown in Austin. It'll be a good time. I think we'll post a few more vlogs in a few days when we do some fun stuff here in the city. But let's get that rental car. What are we driving? Oh, little intro. Wait, is this a Stang? Stop it. Stop it. Can I drive the Stang?
No.
I want the Stang. I've always wanted the Stang.
Yeah, 5-star. You can choose it, but like, not all 4 of us can fit in it.
I've always wanted to drive a Stang.
I know.
This was the car before. Fuck.
Oh, look, somebody claimed it. Sucks. Sucks to suck.
No.
Some cars done.
You want this red one?
Mom?
What are the other options? We have to choose the other. Find the other options. What? Yes. Yeah, the Stang doesn't make sense. We could drive a truck.
Do you want to fill the truck out? Because I don't.
We'll be filling the truck. I've never driven a truck.
Then no.
Oh,
no,
yes.
Then do not drive a truck.
Yes, we're driving a truck.
No, do you know how to park this thing? Do you
Fuck yeah. Do you have any faith in my... Why do you have no faith in my driving capabilities?
Because you've never driven a truck before, and you're thinking that you're going to be able to back this out into things. What if you have to parallel park? Do you think you can parallel park?
I think it's because I'm Asian. That's what it is. It's because I'm Asian.
Low-key.
Oh, intro to McKenna.
Low-key.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hey. Press the button and it focuses.
We'll push the start action on this Nissan. You have a look of concern.
I do have a look of concern.
Crashing this thing immediately.
Why you always know the fucking DJ, and every word to every song
Right, we are
that
on
he
the way
plays.
to the lodge, got ready, got showered. I literally smelled disgusting coming off the plane. It was pretty bad. Anyways, Random fun fact, the reason why I was so upset about not getting the Stang, we were like so close. Literally, like, the guy that pulled up and got the Stang showed up like maybe 5 minutes before us. He got into the door first, claimed it first, had his baby seat in the front seat or whatever it was. Yeah, I always wanted a Stang for some reason when I was in school, when I was in college. I just thought they looked really cool, and then by the time I was actually going to get my first car, wanted a Mustang, and it just didn't make any sense to. It was just like really expensive. The miles per gallon were not great, and yeah, like 30K for a brand new car was gross, and it also depreciated like big time. So it didn't end up getting a Stang, obviously. I don't know. I thought it was a cool opportunity to get one. Never had the chance to actually drive one. Whatever. Anyways, we're on the way to the lodge, and every time I travel, I always like kind of get a little introspective and think about the position that I'm in right now, where I get to like travel and make vlogs. Because when I look back 3 years ago, I was watching Andrew Nemi, Brad Owen, Johnny Vibes, Jamin, all of them making really cool looking poker vlogs. They get to travel to different casinos across the US, or whether they were in Vegas or wherever it may be, and they just got to travel and make videos. And I thought, like, at the time, just getting into the game of poker and just discovering YouTube poker, I thought, like, wow, that is like the dream. And I mean, fast forward now, somehow we're doing that exact thing. So I like can't really even begin to express like how much gratitude and appreciation I have for every single one of you guys that watch the video. I know I always like kind of sell like some merch or plug merch or ask for you guys to like the videos, but realistically, like, I think it's such a silly thing that I'm able to make videos and call this my living source of income, my job, occupation, whatever it may be, just because you specifically, like the individual right now watching this video, helps a ton. It doesn't even matter if you like the button, if you click the like button, doesn't matter if you don't even subscribe, you're just watching it. And the fact that you find my videos, or the poker videos specifically, like entertaining enough to watch and click, and that's it. Every single viewer, every single view means a ton. And like, it straight up doesn't matter if you've never bought merch, liked a video before. The fact that, I mean, I'm able to travel to different casinos and go to Texas, play in their live stream, and like call this a job is absolutely crazy. So I get a lot of comments all the time about people like, hey, I saw you here and there, I just didn't want to say hi. And it's like, that's so silly. Like, the reason why I'm in this position where I can make videos and call this my job is because of you specifically watching. So like, I owe you guys forever and everything for like changing my life, changing the trajectory of where my life was going. So that's it, just a big thank you. I literally can't like express it enough, and it's just crazy. I think it's absolutely insane. Like I always say, it's just like, I don't know, it's such a dream. Like, this was literally all I wanted to do. I always just wanted to make videos and call it my job, ever since I was a kid making Call of Duty videos and experimenting with that. So thank you so much for watching these videos. I don't know, that's all I got to say. I can't really just keep on rambling at this, but we're on the way to the lodge, and you'll get a little behind the scenes inside scoop as to what it's like. Gonna bring this camera around and probably try to put some stuff on this personal vlog, so hopefully you enjoy it. But we're on the way there. Vlogging and driving, not the best idea, so we're gonna put the camera down as we enter the highway, and we'll be there in a little bit.
She don't give two shits about my mixtape. Always catching Z's on me just like Jay.
Yeah, if you had any of those on you to sell, I would buy one off of you.
I have one of the normal ones. Shout out to Joe. Live stream's about to start. Let's see how this goes. And say a little hi for the vlog. What's going on? You starting your own vlog, right? Yeah?
I don't know.
What's going on, guys? Alright. Here we go. Let's get started.
And I know I'm not the chain smokers, but I still think that we should get closer. You should drop it just like EDC. I can't tell if this is love, but
quads, and there's no way Jamie can call this, but he may call with an ace-high. You never know, 2-pair, ace-high. All right, Ethan, we gotta ask you. Here's a big bet, 225, and Jamie's gonna fold it. All right, we gotta ask you about the TM hand.
Oh boy.
What were you thinking there? You went all in with king, queen. You mean Walk us through that.
So, I mean, I think TM put a really great image early on in the session, 3-betting 7 deuce suited and just opening really wide. He called my 3-bet with king deuce suited and peeled the flop on like an ace brick flop. So like he built a really good image playing wide and being really aggressive, and I was trying to isolate him the whole night. And with the king queen, I kept 3-betting him every single time pretty much, and king queen happened. And so this might wrap up the vlog, travel vlog, behind the scenes poker vlog. We were able to, at least it was really cool to hop into the commentary booth and kind of talk to Rick and everyone who runs the stream and kind of be in the behind the scenes as well. So it was nice to capture some of that footage there. Unfortunately, my camera was about to die, so I stopped. But anyways, the poker stream went really well. I'm not going to spoil it. The vlog's going to come out on the Rampage Poker channel. But thanks so much for watching this personal vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed this behind the scenes kind of stuff and a little day in the life. Probably going to go get some drinks with a few friends that I traveled here with, and I might capture some of that. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of this like kind of personal life, day in the life, random stuff. If you care about this kind of stuff, if you don't, let me know as well. Really just experimenting on this channel and seeing like some extra content for people who want to watch. So this has been fun. So it's been a really long day. We're definitely gonna try to get some food, get some drinks, and yeah, that's all the poker we got for today.